Hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations, and I'm about to show you my 5 favorite places to enjoy Dr. Kara's. This is pure IV, and it is a great way to keep yourself hydrated. Now, of course, it's perfect on the go. I'll put it in an old Gatorade bottle, in an old water bottle, or my favorite travel mug. And you can drink this just about anywhere. Keep yourself hydrated and actually save yourself when it comes to those expensive drinks. So let's go ahead and check out my 5 favorite places to enjoy pure IV. So the first place is out on the water. You know you can get dehydrated with the hot sun coming down on you. Here in Florida, we need to stay hydrated, and that's why I trust delicious pure IV from Dr. Kara. So if you're out on the water, doing water sports, playing in your jet ski or out on your boat, guess what? Pure hydration is a great drink for you to have, and you're absolutely going to love it. The next place I want to tell you about is when you're out and about. Maybe you're at a picnic like I am. Keeping that little packet of pure IV in your pocket allows you to add it to your drink at any time. Get that nutrition, get the B12, get that energy, get that little pop you need during the day without the caffeine, and then enjoy your picnic at the picnic table and enjoy the beautiful scenery. Holy cow. If you're out and about enjoying your day, having that packet in your pocket, in your purse, in your fanny pack, wherever it is, pouring it into your water bottle, into your juice container, or wherever you have your cup, guess what? It's going to make your day even better. You know where else is a great place to take your pure IV? Again, just stick it in your pocket, pour it into your container, and you can have it on the road. That's right. Say you're driving cross country or you're off-roading like I do in my Jeep. This is absolutely perfect. You know what I really like about it? It hydrates you and it doesn't just pass through you. So if you're on a long road trip, caffeine's just gonna go right through you. This is gonna stay with you, keep you energized, and it's gonna be perfect for in the car. So again, keep some pure IV in your pocket and go off-roading. And probably the most important place to have your hydration with you, to have your pure IV with you, to have your water bottle with you, guess what? It's at the gym. You're gonna be sweating, you're gonna be working out, and your body needs to absorb and accept that water to get a good workout. So if you wanna build muscle, you wanna build lean mass and get rid of that fat, you need pure IV to help build those muscles, boost your workouts, and guess what? That B12, that B6 in there is going to give you the energy you need without the caffeine, without the dehydrating caffeine, to give you a great workout. Everybody always forgets. They take those pre-workout formulas and they forget how loaded they are with caffeine and how much caffeine dehydrates you. So if you want a great workout, guess what? You absolutely need pure IV. And my number one place to have some pure IV, it's not out on a hike like I'm doing right now. It's in a restaurant. Keep it in your pocket, pour it in your water, and quit paying for expensive soda. It's better for you. It's gonna save your pocketbook. All right, folks, I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Don't forget to check out Dr. Kara's Pure IV. It's absolutely fantastic. Goodbye, my friends.